Yes, it's Rubicon Baker's Vegan Chocolate Blackout Layer Cake. Naturally delicious, bake a better world.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
It's 11 ounces and 312 grams. Now, I'm not going to tell you that this delicious cake is healthy for you, but I'm going to say to you that every once in a while you deserve this cake. Okay, maybe I'm overdoing it. So what I do once in a while is I go over and get some vegan chocolate blackout layer cake. What I do is I cut it in pieces like this. I want to explain to you what vegan means when it comes to cake. Vegan means it doesn't have any milk, it doesn't have any butter, but that doesn't mean it doesn't have any white granulated sugar. Unless it's truly vegan, when you go to a bakery, unless you know for sure it's truly vegan, they don't even use white granulated sugar, then you're fine. So the descriptions, of course, are on the bottom of the cake, and they say, Rubicon bakers are turning their lives around with each cake. Cupcakes, cookies they bake. Follow their inspiring stories at rubiconbakers.com. So first thing, this made for saving. By cutting it in portions, I get to have more of it a little at a time. 4 servings, 1/4 of the cake is 78 grams, the calories are 320 grams. Kind of a high for a dessert. Okay, it's got water, enriched unbleached flour, wheat flour, malted barley flour, niacin, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid, vegan sugar. Oh, it does have vegan sugar. Shortening is palm oil, vegetable, mono, I don't know, some of this stuff is. Expeller, pressed canola oil, vegan chocolate chips. So you're getting the chocolate chips that are good for you, organic, evaporated cane juice, chocolate liquor, cocoa butter, soya lecithin, ground vanilla beans, organic, contains wheat and soy, which just kind of makes sense. Okay, so when you cut it this way, this makes, now you have 8 little bites. But the bad thing about it is when it's this old, it's very crumbly. Now this is really delicious, very, very high in sugar, meant for a snack.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.